Got an annoying mosquito bite? Before you reach for chemical creams, let's explore the best natural and herbal treatments to ease the itch and heal your skin, safely and effectively. Mosquito bites cause redness, itching, and swelling. But did you know your kitchen or garden might hold the remedy? First up, aloe vera. Known for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera is one of the most popular natural treatments for mosquito bites. Apply the gel directly to the bite for fast relief. Next is lavender essential oil. Just a few drops mixed with a carrier oil can help reduce swelling and calm the itch. Lavender is a well-loved herbal remedy for mosquito bites and smells amazing too. Neem oil is another powerful natural remedy. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help protect the skin and speed up healing. Use neem oil sparingly, it's potent. Try a cold chamomile tea compress. The anti-inflammatory compounds in chamomile reduce irritation and promote healing, making it a gentle homeopathic remedy for mosquito bites. Calendula cream is often used in herbal medicine for skin healing. It soothes the skin and reduces inflammation, especially helpful for sensitive areas. Don't forget about tea tree oil, another effective essential oil for mosquito bite relief. It's antimicrobial and helps stop that irresistible urge to scratch. Here's a quick recap of the top natural and herbal treatments: aloe vera, lavender oil, neem oil, chamomile, calendula cream, tea tree oil. These remedies are gentle, effective, and rooted in nature's wisdom. Like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. This content is for informational purposes only and does not substitute professional medical advice. If you have severe reactions to mosquito bites or underlying allergies, please consult your healthcare provider. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com.